How to monetize TikTok account. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the For You page. Now, at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of Profile. Once you land to your profile page, at the top right corner, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Then click on the option of Creator Tools. Now here you're gonna find this section of Monetization. You can use these options to monetize your TikTok account, subscription, video gift, gaming incentive program, work with artists. So go ahead and select any of the options that is suitable for you. I have selected video gift. You can toggle on for it. So here's the requirement for the monetization. If you fulfill all these, you can click on turn on gift, and with that your monetization process will be started. Likewise, you can choose other options as well. Clicking on the option of subscription, you have to fulfill these criteria. If you fulfill the requirements, your monetization will start. Well, this way you can easily monetize TikTok account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.